Cilantro at the store costs $2 to $3 per bunch. It looks fresh at first, but within days it wilts and turns yellow in your fridge. You end up tossing half of it away and all that money adds up over time. But what if you could have thriving cilantro for just pennies right at home? Imagine snipping fresh, fragrant cilantro whenever you need it. No waste, no wilt, just unbeatable flavor. With the right strategy, you can harvest cilantro year-round, whether you have a sunny windowsill, a balcony, or a garden bed. Let me show you how to grow your own cilantro, save money, and enjoy fresh herbs anytime you want. Why does cilantro bolt so quickly? It's all about survival. When cilantro senses heat or stress, it stops making leaves and starts making flowers, called bolting. Once it bolts, the leaves turn bitter and growth slows. Cilantro loves cool weather. Spring and fall are its prime seasons. Heat, root disturbance, inconsistent watering, or poor soil can all trigger early bolting. Our job is to keep cilantro cool and comfortable, tricking it into thinking it's always spring. With the right strategies, we can extend its leafy stage and enjoy more harvests. The secret? Succession planting. Let's dive in. Succession planting is the game changer for endless cilantro. Instead of planting all at once, sow small batches every 2 to 3 weeks. As one group bolts, the next is ready to harvest, so you're never without fresh leaves. Dedicate a garden spot or a few containers just for cilantro. Adjust your sowing schedule based on the season. Shorter intervals in summer, longer in cooler months. Each plant gives you about 6 to 8 weeks of prime leaves. When one patch bolts, pull it out and replant. This cycle keeps your supply steady and reliable. Succession planting turns cilantro's short lifespan into a continuous harvest. Let's see how to grow cilantro all year long. Year-round cilantro is possible with a few seasonal tweaks. In summer, protect plants from harsh afternoon sun, use shade cloth or plant behind taller crops. Spring and fall are easiest. Full sun, regular watering, and succession planting will give you lush growth. In mild winters, use a cold frame or frost blanket to keep cilantro going outdoors. In harsh winters, move your operation indoors. Mulch is your friend. Keep soil cool, moist, and weed-free with a 2-inch layer of straw or leaves. Adjust your care as the seasons change, but keep the basics: cool roots, steady moisture, and regular sowing. With these tricks, you'll have cilantro nearly every month. Next, let's master indoor growing for year-round harvests. No matter the weather, you can keep the fresh herbs coming. Here's how. Growing cilantro indoors is a rewarding and surprisingly simple project, perfect for anyone who loves fresh herbs at their fingertips. With just a little planning and the right setup, you can enjoy vibrant, flavorful cilantro year-round, no matter the weather outside. Start by choosing a pot that's at least 6 to 8 inches deep. This depth gives cilantro's roots plenty of space to grow strong and healthy and ensures good drainage, which is essential to prevent root rot and keep your plant thriving. Fill your pot with a high-quality potting mix. Make sure the soil is moist but not soggy. Cilantro likes consistent moisture, but too much water can cause problems. A light, well-draining mix helps roots breathe and support steady growth. Sprinkle cilantro seeds evenly across the surface, then cover them lightly with a thin layer of soil. Keep the soil damp, not wet, until you see the first sprouts. Germination usually takes about 7 to 10 days, so be patient and check daily. Place your pot in a sunny window. South-facing is ideal, as cilantro loves plenty of light. A bright spot will help your plants grow lush and full, giving you more leaves to harvest. Cilantro needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If your home doesn't get enough natural light, supplement with an LED grow light for 12 to 14 hours daily. This ensures your plants don't get leggy and stay healthy even in winter. Water your cilantro whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Indoor air can dry out pots quickly, so check often. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely, but don't let it get waterlogged either. Keep your cilantro away from heat vents, radiators, or cold drafts. Sudden temperature changes can stress the plant and slow its growth, so find a stable spot where it can thrive. Cilantro grows best in indoor temperatures between 50 and 75 degrees. This range keeps the plant comfortable and encourages steady leafy growth. With the right combination of light, soil, and attentive care, you'll have a steady supply of fresh cilantro all winter long. It's a great way to bring a bit of green into your home during the colder months. Growing cilantro indoors is a simple, satisfying way to keep your kitchen stocked with fresh flavor for your favorite dishes, from salsas to curries and more. Harvesting right keeps cilantro producing. Use the cut and come again method. Snip outer leaves, leaving the center to regrow. Only take up to a third of the plant at a time to avoid stress. Harvest weekly for a steady supply. When the plant bolts, central stem elongates and leaves get feathery, do a full harvest. Use the last leaves in a big batch of salsa or pesto. Let bolted plants flower and set seed. Those seeds are coriander. Harvest and dry them for spice or replant for your next crop. This cycle keeps your garden sustainable and productive. Even with the best care and attention, cilantro can be a bit finicky. So let's walk through some common issues and how to solve them, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, troubleshooting is part of the journey. Are your seedlings looking tall and spindly? Reaching for the sky? That's a classic sign they need more light. Move them to a brighter spot, ideally near a sunny window, or lower your grow light so it's just a few inches above the plants. Strong, compact growth starts with plenty of light. Noticing yellow leaves? This could mean your watering routine needs adjusting. Cilantro likes evenly moist soil, but not soggy roots. Check if the soil is too wet or too dry. Both can cause stress and yellowing. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Also, don't forget about nutrients. Cilantro benefits from a light feeding of nitrogen-rich fertilizer every few weeks, especially if you're growing it in containers. This helps keep the leaves lush and green. If your cilantro is bolting, sending up flowers too quickly, heat is usually the culprit. Try growing slow bolt or heat-tolerant varieties, and provide some afternoon shade during hot spells to extend your harvest. Pests like aphids can show up, but don't worry. A strong blast of water from a spray bottle can knock them off, or use insecticidal soap if needed. Check your plants regularly to catch pests early. Struggling with poor germination? Always use fresh seeds and plant them just a 1/4 inch deep. Cilantro seeds need light and warmth to sprout, so keep the soil moist but not waterlogged until you see seedlings. When it comes to value, a single $3 seed packet can provide you with fresh cilantro for months, far more than you'd get from buying bunches at the store. It's a smart investment for any kitchen gardener. If you're just starting out, begin with one small pot on a sunny windowsill. That's all you need to enjoy fresh herbs at your fingertips, right where you cook. As you gain confidence, add more pots for succession planting. This way, you'll always have a fresh supply, and you can experiment with different varieties or growing conditions. Don't forget to share your progress, ask questions, and connect with other gardeners, online or in your local community. Learning together makes the process even more rewarding. Growing cilantro is not only rewarding and affordable, but it also adds a burst of fresh flavor to your meals. There's nothing like harvesting your own herbs right before cooking, so take the leap. Your best cilantro is just a seed away. Happy gardening, and may your harvests be plentiful.